POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Wonderful Voice. And this is a new one for us. This is their Perfect Share Mini 2 Bluetooth speaker. So it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker that has a few features to it, one of which is 3D surround stereo sound effect. So it's supposedly going to sound a little bit like those Bose speakers, you know, sound wave technology or whatnot, or wave technology, whatever. This has something similar to it, we're guessing. But what we're going to do today is we're going to open this up. We're going to see what it looks like, see what it comes with, and then you'll go to the website at pocnetwork.net, where we're going to have a full review about this later on to let you know what we think once we have time, have the time to charge it up and actually break it out and listen to it. So let's go ahead and see what's on the inside. So the speaker is pretty small for the most part in comparison. It's about the size of, say, a Logitech, you know, Ultimate Ears boom speaker or something, you know, only in the format of your typical front-facing stereo sound speaker. So there's not too much visually speaking that's different outside of it's a really cool color. This green looks really nice and hopefully it sounds just as good. So the bottom features a rubber grip here to act as a foot, and there's some spacing to it, so that way when it's sitting down it's a little bit off the surface and tilting up just gently. And on the side, we have some inputs, it looks like. We have a micro USB input for charging the speaker with. We have a 3.5mm wired input for wired devices. So if you want to just plug it into a small little non-Bluetooth MP3 player or something, or a stereo system. And then you have a micro SD input for just dropping a bunch of music, you know, MP3s or something onto an SD card, or a micro SD card at least. On the top, you have some buttons here. You have a power button for turning the speaker on with. Here you have your volume up and next track button. You have a 3D button off to the side of that. That's what's going to enable the 3D sound effect. Underneath the power button, you have a play pause button. Underneath the volume up, you have the volume down or previous track button. And then you have the mode button to switch between, you know, Bluetooth, wired inputs, and so forth. Simple. Let's see what else is inside of the box. We have two cables. We have a micro USB to USB cable for charging the speaker with. We have a 3.5 to 3.5mm for wired devices, as mentioned. It's interesting because it's a different color, so we got all sorts of colors going on here. We got a yellowish, slime green, really cool neon and metallic paint job to this thing. And but you have a white charging cable and a red analog cable, so it's all over the place. And then you have some instructions in here that have a lot of Chinese on them, but looks like you do get everything in English as well. So it's gonna show you how to pair it to your device, what all the various different buttons do, and so forth. So that's it. Again, this is the Perfect Share Mini 2 by Wonderful Voice. Their Bluetooth speaker with 3D stereo sound effects coming out of it that can be turned on and off from the top right here. And that's it. So what you're going to want to do is go to the website, like I said, go to POC Network, see what we have to say about this once we've had a chance to actually listen to it and see what it sounds like and all the features that it has. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. We have the button down there to subscribe and follow us. And we have the comment section down there as well, so we can all discuss this later on. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.